Hello friends, I'm Zonya Foco. I am so excited to bring you something new and fresh and oh so delicious. Yes, we're going to roll up our sleeves and tackle any blood pressure, cholesterol, or weight challenges where they begin, in the kitchen. Tossed with pasta and Kalamata olives, fresh basil and Parmesan, the flavors are spectacular. My new program is called Eat Real for Your Health and shows you how to skyrocket your energy and health by eating real food. Here's how it works. After signing up, you'll receive our Eat Real kit, which includes the Eat Real cookbook with a color photo of every delicious recipe, plus our Daily Defender checklist, so you keep powerhouse disease-fighting foods top of mind, along with our shopping list pad, so you get in and out of the store in no time. And then over 8 weeks, my partner Krista Sanderson and I will inspire you via weekly videos and coaching emails so that you can easily try new and exciting cooking and flavoring techniques. If you've ever had the famous California Pizza Kitchen's Thai chicken pizza, well, you'll be able to make this at home yourself, but for a fraction of the calories and sodium by using real food ingredients at home. Did I mention? You'll also receive a 1-year membership to eatrealamerica.com, where over 1,000 easy and delicious recipes await you, and your 24/7 support continues. So, what can you expect from this program? Well, in under a year, Tammy lost 90 pounds and dropped her cholesterol 60 points. And CJ lost 70 pounds. And Matt and Sarah have lost together over 100 pounds. They all agree, real food fills me up instead of out. So get started eating real.